The Marukome Miso Soup Dispenser makes it easy to offer authentic and high-quality miso soup. With just one touch of a button and just 4 seconds, you get a cup of hot, fresh, and delicious miso soup. The Miso Soup Dispenser can be used in your restaurant, sushi bar, cafe, bar, buffet, takeout, and many more places. With this machine, you can serve consistent, high-quality soup every time with less labor and no waste. And now Marukome has a new and enhanced machine, the LCA model. The size is 17.8 inches high, 10.6 inches wide, 19.5 inches deep, and it weighs 42 pounds. Compared to the LSA model, it is more compact, yet has the same amazing features. It has a reversible panel showing a beautiful miso picture with your choice of color in black or red. When you open the door, you'll see 2 3-way switches and a control panel on the machine. Using the control panel, you can adjust the temperature, salt level, and serving size of the miso soup. To run the machine, you need only an electric socket access and a waterline access. This is the miso base that the machine requires to make the miso soup. A case comes with 4 6.6-pound bags. Each bag makes approximately 160 cups of miso soup. The miso base made in the USA is MSG-free and made with all natural miso with bonito fish broth and kelp seaweed broth. You can personalize your freshly dispensed Marukome miso soup by adding your favorite toppings. Since Marukome is the #1 miso company in Japan, the quality of the miso is guaranteed. If you have further questions, please contact Marukome at 949-863-0110. And thank you.